major concern for the Kuwaiti government is to protect health and environment. Hence, it is willing to endorse all strategic projects that are developed based on the latest state-of-the-art technologies, deliver top global results, and hand it over to the most reliable expertise to execute and operate. Therefore, at Utilities Development Company, with our wastewater treatment and reclamation plant at Sulaybiya, are setting the standard for water reclamation and reuse regionally and globally. The concept of the project is to treat domestic wastewater generated in state of Kuwait to potable drinking water quality for ultimate reuse. Utilities Development Company, UDC, was awarded the concession contract for a period of 30 years to build, operate, and transfer BOT, the Sulaybiya Wastewater Treatment and Reclamation Plant. In December 2004, the Sulaybiya Wastewater Treatment and Reclamation Plant successfully commenced its operation and maintenance phase. UDC, the concessionaire, continuously oversees the plant's daily running complexities and coordinates the various operational aspects of the plant. Since December 2004, the plant has been treating and reclaiming 425,000 cubic meters of raw sewage per day to potable standards exceeding the World Health Organization's requirements. The product water is discharged to the Ministry of Public Works for end use. In April 2019, the plant was expanded to treat an inflow of 600,000 cubic meters per day, which represents about 60% of Kuwait's domestic sewage. Project components. The project consists of 3 parts: Ardiya plant, transfer pipelines from Ardiya to Sulaybiya, Sulaybiya plant. Ardiya plant is a pretreatment plant handling the domestic wastewater flowing from MPW main pumping stations, Mishref and Rig E. It's comprised of flow measurement, screening, degridding, oil and grease removal, odor control facilities, flow buffering tanks, main feed pumps, and surge vessels for pumping pre-treated wastewater to Sulaybiya plant. Transfer pipelines. 3 pipelines, each 1,400 millimeter diameter, ductile iron 25 kilometers long, convey the pre-treated wastewater to Sulaybiya treatment plant equipped with pressure sensors to monitor operating pressures in each line. Sulaybiya plant. To achieve the final potable water quality, the plant is divided into 2 separate process plants. 1. Biological nutrient removal process by means of activated sludge. The biological nutrient removal plant depends on maintaining a critical biomass of activated sludge in aeration tanks to reduce the nitrogen and phosphorus content of the wastewater. This plant consists of 12 process trains, each having 55,000 cubic meter of volume capacity, which produce secondary treated water. 2. The secondary treated water is reclaimed at reclamation plant through a complex system of disc filters, ultrafiltration, and reverse osmosis membranes to produce a high quality of treated water as specified in the concession contract. This plant is the largest plant in the world for producing reclaimed water from wastewater. Facility maintenance. As the total project, inclusive of Ardiya and the transfer pipelines, is configured to essentially operate automatically, the numbers and types of mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, control and acquisition systems are without doubt enormous and vastly complex. Of particular significance and importance is the critical system control and data acquisition (SCADA) network that receives and logs all system operating data and compares the data to preset parameters. If operating conditions are not in accordance with parameters, a system alarm is initiated requiring manual intervention to address the issue. However, to keep all equipment and state-of-the-art control systems active 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, requires effective routine and preventative maintenance programs to ensure that plant operating parameters are not compromised. As the concession period progresses, UDC continues to strive to ensure the various processes comprising the project are the best they could be, whilst continuously searching for the latest technologies for potential enhancement of those processes. The project maintains its environmentally conscious outlook by minimizing odors at Ardiya and by minimizing marine pollution, as no untreated wastewater is discharged to the sea. Reclaimed water is also used in a safe manner to the benefit of the environment for Kuwait's landscaping. Abdali, Sulaybiya, Wafra farms and Kuwait University new facilities at Shahadayyah. In accordance with the terms of the Build, Operate, Transfer (BOT) contract, when the concession period expires, the plant's ownership shall be transferred to the state of Kuwait, free of charge. Over the concession period, the project will save the state of Kuwait a total amount of 5.12 billion dinar by using a more economically produced water source.